Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how you can always play the Dino game in Chrome. So not only when you have no internet. How do I do that? First we open Google Chrome. The dinosaur game is built into Google Chrome, so we just need to know the right way to play it. To do this we enter the following in the address bar: chrome://dino. Now we click enter and we can play the Dino game here at any time. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.